Now let's work on the rest of the buttons. Else if button equal panel get result button. What you want to do is panel get display and then set text. Say the result is so current message plus result equals plus panel get calculator call get result method that is displayed, and then else if button is a panel get add button, then panel get calculator, then call add operation, and then say something about that. So that is let me copy this line. So we need to update the display. After message M we say add operation performed there. Then else if button is a sub panel get subtract button, then we will do those two things very similar. We call subtract and then subtract operation performed. So similarly, else if button panel get multiply button, then let's copy those two lines. Calculator multiply and then multiply operation performed. So let me now copy those 4 lines together and then have another else if like that, and then finally div button, then we do divide and then we say divide operation performed. So I guess that's all of the operation we need to handle in the event handler. So main run calculator simulator. So if we enter 8 and 5, add get result is 13. Now we call subtract operation performed get result -3, multiplication get result 40, division get result is there. Exit to the go back to the menu screen, calculator simulator again. If I enter 1 and then 2, add result, and then 6, enter the 6 and the 2 is there, add result and exit. It seems the calculator simulator works fine.